Alright guys, so welcome to another unboxing. Today I just got some more notebooks from Christine, but the spirals on these two notebooks I'm getting are just for my stunt doubles. They're just for my other notebooks, they're not going to be really usable, so I'm going to get this opened up. Okay. Yep, hold on, let me take a look at these. Alright, so I'm gonna get them open. Yeah, just another Golden Josh notebook. And this, just the spiral, I'm planning to use that spiral for one of my stunt doubles anyway. Same thing, basically, like I did before. It looks like for the crayon, they updated the crayon, I think, for this. Or I think they gave me a different golden crayon, which is, I think, an old one. I'm not sure. I think this is like one of the old golden crayons. Yeah, and also I bought another extra nature notebook just for the spiral, but yeah, had the popper and extra crayon. Yeah, I'm planning to use the brown spiral on the other notebook, I think. I don't know, I'll take a look. I'll take a deeper look at these notebooks. Alright, so that'll wrap up this unboxing. I'll see you guys next time.